You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly. I said correctly in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary, including from fashion, hairstyling, brand names, especially beauty, stay tuned. Beautiful pronunciations. The bottom word is pronounced as braid. You know what a braid is? Braid hair? Well, stay tuned. Now, top word is pronounced either plait or plait. The two pronunciations are used. Plait hairstyle or plait. So, let's summarize English pronunciation: plait or plait and braid. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.